Today, I'm going to give you the whole story on hydration and why it's so important for your skin. Now, our skin cells naturally make acidic water in the outer rim of the cell. This is what keeps our skin cells so healthy. But you might be surprised to learn that the molecule in regular water is too big to penetrate past the surface layer of your skin. This means that when you wash your face, water just sits on top of your skin and it evaporates off. Water is not hydrating. It's actually very dehydrating to your skin. What makes our hydrating mist so unique is that we're able to take acidic water, which means the pH level is lower than regular drinking water, and we can electrolyze it. That means we take the water molecule and we break it up and make it small enough so it can penetrate past the surface layer of your skin and be absorbed into your skin cells. This is true hydration, the absorption of acidic water into the human cell. Our hydrating mist is 100% pure ordered water. And when it's absorbed, your skin cells will go to work to do the rapid repair for damaged skin. And it will relieve your skin from environmental stress like excessive sun exposure. This product is safe for all skin types and it can be used by the whole family. We recommend generously spraying the mist day and night and combining it with the other products from the Essentials morning and evening routine, which you can find at shopwholestory.com. And continue to stay with us so you can get the whole story.